Hi you guys, Ruby here. I'm going to be showing you guys my nighttime routine and the products that I use to cleanse and moisturize my face. Now the first product is Dream Clean. Dream Clean is a cleanser from Limelight by Alcone. It is perfect for those who have normal to oily skin, or even if you have acne prone skin, this is going to be the cleanser for you. It is a very gentle foaming cleanser, as you see, but it is yet very effective in removing makeup gently. The cleanser is made up of aloe vera and soapberry. This is our famous cleanser for those who have oily skin. Next, we're going to move on to exfoliating the face, and I use Bamboo Renew, which is a body scrub, but yet gentle enough for the face, and I mix it with skin polish, which is also a mask from Limelight. The mask smells like lemons, skin polish does. It is a very hydrating mask, so you're going to have the benefit of a very phenomenal exfoliator plus a moisturizing mask, and the two together definitely deep clean, and it hydrates at the same time. I'm telling you guys, these two products combined are phenomenal for exfoliating and hydrating the face. Your face literally feels so clean, and it feels very, very soft once you're done. I promise you. Now I'm gonna go ahead and make sure to pat my face down very gently. Very clean, look at that. And you feel the skin very soft. Okay, so that's it. Now follow me to the bedroom. Next, I'm going to be applying Eye Rise is a phenomenal serum for the eyes. It's going to help reverse the signs of aging. It will help reduce fine lines and wrinkles. It will help reduce puffiness. Now, this is not just for ladies. This is for gentlemen as well. Anybody can benefit from this, and it's definitely available for all skin types. Now, what you can do with this as well as a tip, you can place the Eye Rise in the refrigerator and apply it, and it will be cold, and it's very soothing to any tired eyes. What I like to do, I like to dampen my skin and then apply it. It helps activate the ingredients. Next, we're going to be applying Sotoks One Drp Wonder and a few drops of midnight oil. Now, Sotoks is literally like a Botox in a bottle. It will help brighten your complexion as well as help fade scars and sunspots. It's going to naturally lighten, brighten, and tighten your skin. It is a very anti-aging moisturizer serum. Now, this one is a must-have. One Drp Wonder is a booster oil, so it's going to boost the effectiveness of Sotoks. So in other words, it's going to help allow it to penetrate deeper into the skin and repair it from the bottom up. Now, it is a very lightweight oil full of omega-6, so it's definitely full of antioxidants as well as midnight oil. Now, midnight oil is a highly beneficial oil as well to help battle the signs of aging. So it is a very powerful anti-inflammatory, and it is only used at night, the midnight oil. And I've had such a success with these three products combined. If you guys need help, let me know.